Hey guys, wanna know how to change a button's color in Kotlin? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Well, you cannot directly change it through Kotlin's playground as you need some Android Studio, but I'm going to show you how to simulate it and you can write this code in order to generate the same thing as well. So let's get straight to it. Now, simply head towards this kotlinlang.org and then on the top right, you can see this play button right here. Click on it and then select playground. And once you're there, just simply clear out any codes that you had. And once that is done, you can just simply copy this code right here. And there you go. This is how you simulate a button's color and changing its color in Kotlin. And that's it. Super simple and easy. But in Android, you need to use functions like button, period, set background color, and parenthesis, color, period, red. I've just shown it on the screen as well. You can just simply copy that and there you have it. You have learned the logic and you can simply implement it. I hope this video helped. If it did, be sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.